Hi everyone, Tim Pitcher, Marine Sales Manager with Flow-Rite Controls. And you know what I really wish? I really wish I was talking to you from IBEX 2022, but some crazy little circumstances have changed that. It's called Hurricane Ian. And with that said, first of all, I want to put it out there to all of our friends, family, and partners in Florida. We're thinking about you. Please stay safe, and I hope you guys weather this through good and strong, and we're thinking about you. So, and with that said, what we would be doing at IBEX 2022 would be talking about our new Marine Manifold, which is part of our Qwik-Lok product line, brand new, something exciting. The new Qwik-Lok manifold is designed to streamline the plumbing process. The body of the Qwik-Lok manifold will be made of a polypropylene polymer. The lock ring is made of an ABS plastic, and it's our 4-finger lock ring, which is a patented design for us. And then on the O-rings, we utilize a Viton O-ring. So once again, great chemical, gas and oil capabilities, hydraulic oils, anything that may get within the water, you have great resistancy. The Marine Manifold simplifies the boat design, gives the engineers a little bit more freedom to customize for specific needs. The one thing that it does, that it streamlines the plumbing process. We make things very neat within the transom of the boat, but also with a manifold, we're eliminating through hulls on the exterior of the boat. So aesthetically, it gives the boat a much greater appearance, and that also creates an element of safety. We now don't have holes drilled in the boat, which would be additional leak points. So we've eliminated those things. But it's all designed with our Qwik-Lok system, so it just makes it very simple. As always, Flow-Rite is committed to helping you build a better boat. If you have more questions on the manifold, please contact myself, and I handle the western half of the territory, which would be west of the Mississippi, or contact Tom Bailey. He's our eastern guy, and he would handle everything east of the Mississippi. So we look forward to talking with you, talking more about the manifold and just what benefits and what great things it can do for your boat build. Thank you.